I'm Joanna. I'm Customer Services Duty Manager at Farnborough Airport. We have 2 TopBrewer coffee machines and 1 TopWater on site. The first TopBrewer was installed in 2015 and is located on the first floor in our group lounge. From our business point of view and from sustainability point of view, it's great that we haven't needed to replace TopBrewer coffee machine. It's been working really well for over a decade now. Every day is different here in Farnborough Airport. We do get our regular passengers who love to have a cup of coffee before they fly. When looking after larger groups of passengers, it makes it very easy and quick to serve coffee. Most of our passengers are not used to choosing their own ratio of coffee and milk. However, the moment they are offered that, they absolutely love that feature. It definitely helps them to have that balanced, nice, smooth coffee. For us as customer service duty managers, the best feature of the coffee machine is that we get to connect with our passengers, we can spend more time with them, and it brings that wow factor to the lounge. TopWater is a really great benefit for us for many reasons. When it comes to customer service, we love the fact that we can serve our customers cold water in an efficient manner. From the sustainability point of view, it's great that we are saving on plastic bottles or glass bottles. It does give us more time to focus and connect with our passengers. I would definitely recommend TopBrewer to other businesses. TopBrewer is a great addition to our business. It's definitely elevated customer service experience for our passengers, and we are very proud to have the coffee makers in our facilities, and it's definitely a wow factor for most of our passengers when they come and coffee tastes great and everyone absolutely loves it.